And we're back. Welcome to the second day of December and the second sticker advent page or envelope. Let's see what we got today. Oh, I have no idea. Bunny creams, they're called. Bunny creams. Aren't they cute? I do not read whatever language this might be in, but it's irrelevant. We have delicious things. Strawberry something. That's probably strawberry milk right there. Not sure about this. Flavored water maybe? Chocolate, that looks like. Don't know what that is. Anyway, it all looks delicious. So let's see, what shall we do today? What shall we do? Nothing's very Christmassy. So we'll come down here. We'll put whatever that is there. I think they're all sweets. I was going to say that looks like a can of Spam, but it's got strawberries and grapes and kiwi fruits on it, so guessing it's a sweet. So we'll go with this one just for a different shape. There we go. Okay, day 2 accomplished. See you back here tomorrow for day 3.